Truman, Broberg, Pugsley. Owen, Broberg, Pugsley are now going to explain this.
Cookie.
So Owen, can you start at the beginning?
So, Truman, okay, here's the beginning. Truman's gonna tell about it.
So,
Come to the front door, walk in.
this is the front door and the office. So, when there's a window right here so you can see into the factory. So first, the mixer mixes up the batter in the mixing bowls. And then the batter is put onto trays right here. And after that,
Goes over
it gets
here.
put onto the conveyor belt. And then it goes into
And
the
there's
oven.
lights in the oven.
If you can see, there's lights in the oven. So then it goes onto the conveyor belt. And it goes down. And right here,
Usually
the
it works.
frosting gets put on the cookies.
So can you turn on
On
each
some of
conveyor
them?
belt separately, or are they together?
You can. It's kind of hard.
Then it comes out here and goes on the trays. Then what?
It goes onto these trays. And then it gets put in to the truck, which brings it to wherever they need it.
And then for the visitors, they can get cookies
Yeah,
in
they can buy
boxes.
cookies.
So why
And or
isn't
they
that
can
other
buy
conveyor belt
cookies.
turning on?
Because Truman only turned on one.
Oh. Oh, they are separate. Okay.
You can do them separate.
Truman, on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard was it?
4.
Owen, how hard was it?
4.
George, what do you think about it?
4.